ain't got no big mall. I just got Mother Nature. Hey,
you see what's going on? Put it on your later. 2 black biscuits to 8 is go.
In the desert, WESTSIDE trying to ease the rock around.
You're gonna get my neck broke. Hey, Roadmaster, you keep talking like that. Somebody's gonna come on and break a...
Hey, boy, you smoking and sucking that down. All right, Big Bad, 321. 766, Top Bend, California. Two black biscuits, your buzz is not flat coming out of 900. See, we gonna sell that generator.
Roadmaster, I said burner. Hey, Roadmaster, I said wagon, burner, cruising the West Coast. Wagon, burner, bang, bang, nine, gang,
It's stuck in the mud, man. You just jacking up or moving, man. For 450. Did you swagging that mic? Did you swagging that microphone there from Puerto Rico? Boy, you just making their name known, man. You make your name known over here in Southern California. Because you're coming over here to the district. The 450, you're sounding all kinds of good. Mustang Radio Show, 131. I think you already know.
By Governor of the United States of America, by Governor of the United States of America, you take care of my brother, and I put on you a little bit later, the girl of the United States, the 766 of the East Side, get day.
Boy, 321 with that good foreign modulation. Have a real good day. 321, Paris. 766, Top Bend, California. Bye.
When you do it like that, see, I got the Watergate rolling. Hey, 450, I got the Watergate rolling. Check this out. It's all Watergate.
31.
500 views out of the middle of the road.
Boy, country boy, I'm going to the game. Hey, country boy, is there anybody behind me? Hey, country boy, I'm going to the game. Is there anybody behind me right now? Country boy, break.
Boy, I hear you too. Y'all talking about the big boys from the West Side. All I want my paycheck. He can keep that towel, just give me my paycheck. Fast Reverend Dr. Mess him up and Kelly go.
Hey, country boy, I just want to know if there's anybody behind me. I can hear a guy between keys. I just want to know if anybody behind me. Country boy, the big boss and Cal got down.
151, you say good job. Sounds good. I'm 450 saved. Na.
Hey, country boy, look at the bottom of that transmitter. Country boy, East Side, 766, West Side, 107.
Get back on Roadmaster.
You're laying the hammer down from Puerto Rico. Hey, 450. You're laying the hammer down. Yeah, I'm in Southern California. Yeah, I'm out here in the Mojave Desert in Southern California. And 450, you got the Puerto Rican mall down.
Hey, T-Bird, I got my house in Maryland. Hey, T-Bird. Hey, T-Bird, I'm going to the game. I got my name up in Maryland. Hey, T-Bird, is that
I sound like good news station. 450 say a sucker.
Good job. Hey, 450. Good job. 131 gone.
Sanchez is a good guy. You don't get him too, though. Roadmaster, I'm going to the game.
All down. I know.
Roadmaster, who you waiting on? Roadmaster.
Every time I go, 450 is the former champion with the Channel 6 from downtown Arecibo, Puerto Rico. This is not a surprise. 450 is a big hammer from Puerto Rico.
Good Lord, I'm Ratchet. I got Puerto Rico in here, dead on 20 dBs. I got Puerto Rico up in my radio, 20 dBs strong.
That sounded good, man.
What in the world be going
That
on?
sounded good, yeah. I got a 100% Dave May, the radio station. I'm on my number 2 station here. I got my Dave May, though, 148. And I'm rolling in my big old Dave made Sidewinder 6. Man, plenty due east, man. That thing sounds good. I'll give you another gate, man. We do it like that. Man, we do it like that. I gotta give you a gate, man. You're locking it down here on the bowl. So let's give it to you, man. Put you in the Hall of Fame. Let that Puerto Rico. Put Puerto Rico in the Hall of Fame. Let's roll it.
Every time ago, 450 is the former champion with the Channel 6 from downtown Arecibo, Puerto Rico. This is not a surprise. 450 is a big hammer from Puerto Rico with 37-footer and 2 tiers 3000 from downtown Puerto Rico. Ba, 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 ba. You can't hear your master.
I appreciate you taking time out of your busy day out there in Puerto Rico to make your way out here to Southern California. It sounded good, 450. Appreciate it, man. Rocking and rolling this way. 131 this evening. That's why.
About him being no damn ball. And Arthur, you come out here like that, I'm gonna put something on your ass.
Bye, Mr. Roadmaster. Bye, Mr. Roadmaster. I think Mother...
Let me shut my list up. I have something to do. Take care. King Arthur. Your friend 245. Your Reverend Dr. mess him up, got down and gone. 73. He's down there with that person.
Right, Joe, man, the beautiful women. You got the beautiful women. You see, you got the beautiful women there in Puerto Rico. I ain't gonna argue with that, man. I'm from the East Coast, man. I'm from the East Coast. I ain't gonna argue with that, man. Well, you got some beautiful women, that's for sure. Take care of 450. We got the beautiful women, and you got a big old hammer. 73, my friend. 131, little Dave May. Waving that hand, and I'm back white.
And let my nephew know, I know you got that big boat over there. Everybody, she gonna get on out of here. I'm gonna stand down for she goes, she'll be the reason.
Bye, 450. And get myself another adult beverage, man, as I'm checking out the band, 73, Westside, y'all.
Crazy chicken station, man. Good Lord have mercy. Ooh, wee. Crazy, got down.
Them guys, they put that mole on it. After you like they put the mole on you. That damn key off plug my ear. I'm trying to listen to you, old master. But you ain't making me hear you talking from the phone over there on the east side. These guys, 17, I just think it's real on these guys 605. And what he talking to, and he plug my ear, I'm trying to listen at you, but he ain't letting me listen at you. So, master, you better put a hat on a cat and skid on the back or something on like that and quit hollering about them damn 2 bushes you got and work them up with the radio, because them cotton got some things out there. But I'm going to say 2024, I'm going to slide mine to the 10-7 side. Low master, 245, and Kelly told you that, and I'm back wide.
Hey, 2 black biscuits, you still out there, Frank?
And I'm gone. Yeah.
Going back to the football. Going back to the football game just to see Taylor Swift every time.
That was 278 calling them 2 black biscuits. No Roger, 2 black biscuits. No Roger, 2 black biscuits. So 278 on the coast is getting on down.
Sanchez here,
We're going to try one more time. How 450? Hey, how about the 450, 278 on the coast, breaker?
you know what I'm talking about? Because that's the way they do it. You know, as long as you've been knowing me, you know, I don't give a damn who I'm talking to. And I get out and keep somebody we test them this out. The cat's back or something. You know how he be doing all that here. He ain't not nothing if he ain't got full control. That's why y'all keep that mouth on his ass. You and that dumb plugging two black bitches, y'all can't, I can't stand y'all when y'all kill. Y'all be plugging my ear hole, plugging my ear hole, I want to cut my radio off, but my friend won't reach over to it.
kick out, go on back east. You're playing 245, and your back pedal say, hello.